show you how you can fix the Snapchat keeps logging you out problem. But before we get to that, the first thing that might happen, that might have caused this issue, is if you log into your same Snapchat account on another device. So if you do that, Snapchat will automatically log you out from the original primary device. So please check if you're not logged into another device with the same Snapchat account, or even somebody has not saved your login information and they're logging in some another device. So if you make sure to change your password, if that happens, to double check so that this is not the case. And another thing that might cause this issue is sometimes when the app updates on its own, and it can log you out. So if the app has recently updated, made up some new recent updates, it might automatically log you out. And if that's the case, you'll be able to log back in very easily. Another thing you can do is make sure you're on the updated version of the app. If you're on the older version of the app, it's very buggy and there are different problems, issues with it. So make sure you go to your Play Store or your App Store and check if you're in the latest updated version. So if you update the app, this problem might go away on its own. And if still the problem persists, you have to doubt that there is some problem with somebody else might be using your account, might be compromised. So make sure that you do two-factor verification or authentication while logging into your account, and change your password and make sure your account is secure, because that might be a case. Also, there might be a scenario that your account is compromised. So also you can contact Snapchat support. You can go to support.snapchat.com and here you can staying safe. So if you go in my account in security and my account is compromised, here they have directions on how you can get back into your account.